Montessori nature trays are wonderful for giving toddlers and preschoolers hands-on experience with objects from nature. My 2.5-year-old niece Zoe loves seashells, so we put together a special seashell and sea life nature tray. To teach the vocabulary, we'll be using the Montessori 3-period lesson. You might start with 3 objects. Zoe's familiar with many of the names, so we're using 8 sea life specimens. We'll start with the first period naming of the object. This is sea fan. Can you say sea fan?
Sea fan.
Sea urchin spine. Can you say sea urchin spine?
Sea urchin spine.
The second period is association and recognition. Show me. Spend the longest time with this. Can you show me the sea biscuit? That's it. Can you gently feel the coral? Can you gently hand me the sea fan? Thank you. Can you look at the barnacle with the magnifying glass?
Wow.
The third period is recall. Only go on to asking, "What is this?" if you feel your child will be successful. What is this?
Barnacle.
What is this?
Coral. Sea biscuit. I think it's a sand dollar.
For more ocean activities and information on the Montessori 3-period lesson, see the Living Montessori Now blog. Please like and subscribe. Have fun!